Hello, what's up guys, this is John, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the border effect here in clipstudiopaint. So what I want to show you is just very simple. So what you want to do is go over to, when you have the layer of the artwork you want, just go over to layer properties. If you don't have that, you can see it here, layer properties. Click on this layer properties, then you go on to effects and then click on this border effect here. If you click on that, you're going to see this. Then change the color to this edge color, change it to black. Once you change it to black, you can see this border effects here, but I'm going to advise you to use this border effects more on like logos or stuff like that, because I don't have any logo right now, so I'm using my artwork. So you can increase the thickness of the edges depending on how you want that. And then this anti-aliasing on border effects, you have to click that checked. You can also play around with other styles of effects. So that's it for this video guys. I just wanted to show you guys how to create this border effect on Clip Studio. If you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video.